Hi there and welcome back to Mysterious March. I've had a couple of days off because it was actually my birthday. So I'm going to jump straight into this video and we're going to try to get back on track this month. So today, for day 12, we are doing Blue-Ringed Octopus. As you can see here, I've got some images, as I have an abundance of images. They are found around Australian waters, so interestingly enough, I have a lot of Australian animal books and these guides appear in them a lot. So I have some pictures to show you in real life today, as well as some digital pictures. So let's jump straight into the video. So what makes them mysterious? One of the most venomous animals in the world, the blue-ringed octopus, has iridescent bright blue rings all over its body, which turn more vibrant when they get defensive. They are not aggressive, but they can get very defensive if provoked. Its blue rings serve as a warning sign to alert of their venom, as most blue things in the ocean do, because if they're blue, it means they're highly venomous. So these guys in particular are very small, golf ball sized, but they bite to deliver their venom. And where are they found? Well, they're found in the Indian and Pacific Oceans, from Japan to Australia, in warm coastal areas and rock pools to depths of around 50 metres. There are actually 4 separate species of blue-ringed octopuses, and maybe more, up to 10, that haven't scientifically been named yet. They are very flexible and have excellent camouflage, sheltering in small crevices along reefs and rubble and in among algae or seagrass meadows. They are around 22 centimetres long, or 8.6 inches, with arms reaching around 20 centimetres and body at 2 to 4 centimetres. Octopuses in general have what are called chromatophores under their skin, which are specialised cells that allow the octopus to change colour instantaneously. But blue-ringed octopuses also have light-reflecting iridophores, which gives the blue rings an iridescence to stand out amongst its camouflaged skin. They are muscles to make their blue patterns appear, displaying them on top of a yellow or cream-coloured base with dark pigmented cells underneath the rings, which helps to intensify their colour. Blue-ringed octopuses are ambush hunters, preying at dusk or dawn even, which means they're crepuscular, on fish, crustaceans and other reef or rock pool invertebrates. They use their camouflage to hide in crevices or on rocks and sand, then ambush their prey, grabbing it with their tentacles and biting it with a venomous bite from their parrot-like beak. Their venom is extremely potent, able to kill up to 26 humans. It will paralyse and require artificial respiration, may lead to death, as there is also no anti-venom for these octopuses. They are actually very shy and reclusive though. The odds of getting bitten by a blue-ringed octopus is very low because they prefer to flee or stay hidden and will only attack as a last resort. So they do actually come in a variety of colours, and this is why they think there are so many species. As you can see by these images, there's some variation in their camouflage, like we've got a sort of white cream colour here to more yellows, but the blue rings change also from with this dark background and more of a royal blue, I guess, to more of a aqua bright sky blue colour. So that's why I think they struggle to document all the species because there is quite a variation, but they also are just blending into their surroundings. So to get the species right, the whole nomenclature thing is a very difficult process, but basically, yeah, there are a number of different versions. So I'm just going to show you a few more images in this book. I'll go back this way because you'll see the different variations. Sorry about the glare, I don't think there's much I can do there. There we go. So this is their face, straight up view, and we've got there, you can see how well they camouflage, and some of the rings appear brighter or smaller or bigger. And then we've got this guy here, which is more reddish brown, I would say. So it's just really interesting, that variation there. And then this guy's a lot more yellow, which is quite just an interesting little bit there. This book is an excellent book, Deadly Oceans. I believe I've shared it in another video for nudibranchs. But there are just some beautiful animals in this book. Amazing animals. Maybe some more we'll be covering this month too. And then I believe I've shown this book on my channel as well before. It's one of my favourites. It's actually an Australian Geographic book, Australia's Most Dangerous. So yeah, the Blue-Ringed Octopus does fall high on the list of deadliest creatures in the world. So there's that. And I'm gonna finish off this video with some drawing of this Blue-Ringed Octopus. And thank you again so much for watching. See you next video. Bye.